This is my code on Solara, and I'm going to push this to the GitHub, and then I'm going to deploy this on the ToyStack platform. So you're going to the ToyStack dashboard, you're going to log in with GitHub, you're going to sign in, authorize ToyStack, you're going to click on import and activate repositories, sync with GitHub, going to install the application. Once installed, click on continue. So this will install the ToyStack application, and you're going to select Solara application. The code which you have pushed to the Git is going to be imported on ToyStack platform. So you can view Solara, click on deploy from branch, and before that you're going to click on settings and check the build configuration. Choose Solara as framework. You can also give the build last time. So I'm choosing as 1 hour and click on submit. Deployments, go to deployments, click on branch. So I'm choosing main branch. Choose validity and click on deploy. So your application will start getting deployed and the URL is generated, and this is the outcome of Solara application.